Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this brand new video. And I'm not gonna lie, too much of stress all around in my life, and I feel so much distracted, distracted. So I don't know if I'll be able to solve this question. And compared to other people, bro, other people are genius in solving TSA and all. I'm sorry for ranting right now, but they're like crazy good in it, and I'm like, huh. I just remember a few patterns, and the basis of that pattern, I'm able to mug something up and like throw something at while solving this question. I'm like crazy happy. So it's okay. It's okay. This method which I'm using is kind of slow and not that much yielding, but it's according to me a high yielding and a long-term sustaining one. Like documenting what I'm learning. People are crazy genius, but huh, I just gotta connect to myself first. Anyway, so this is the question for today. So um, there are three. Are there duplicates? So last time we did using frequency counter, but right now we have to do using multiple pointers. How can you implement are there duplicate function using multiple pointers technique to check for duplicates in an array of arguments? You have to use multiple pointers. To use multiple pointers. Okay. Okay. How do we do that? So do we do we convert all the string whatever input we have pushed in into an array and then put two pointers at the very last and at the very beginning of the index of the array and then start comparing? So okay, so if we find that the left and right are not same, what we're going to do is 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 what we can do there is maybe move the left pointer a bit more close. Now what we will do, we'll again see that they are not same. We'll move a bit one more further. Again what we can do, we can move a bit more further. Now what we find, they are same. The time they are same, we can just straight up return true. There are duplicates. Okay, anyway, so I think it is kind of doable, but I don't know how will I do it. Let's see if my method is correct, but I don't think it's necessary to do it like that. But let's see. Oh, by the way, I'll be using this copy, my rough copy, to jot down the entire pseudocode or the code, and then I'll just write it down completely in the VS Code and see the errors if there is any. I don't know. I came up with this weird ass code. Okay, this code says basically like we have set a left variable to 0 and right variable to right is equals to data dot length. I think -1 should be used here. -1. So what is going to do is just like, for example, if we have an array, so first pointer will be at that 0, last pointer will be at left. So what we are doing here, we are just iterating through that entire array of elements which is provided to us, and let's see what we can do for multiple inputs, multiple arguments. These ants continuously biting me. I don't want to kill them. I don't want to kill them. I want to be good. So yeah. So what basically is happening is we are saying if arrays data present on the left and arrays data present on the right are not equal, then simply do what is increase left is equals to left plus 1. Okay. I don't know if this, my brain is fucking dead. It's unable to think or else return true. Let's see. Like I think I'm missing out on a lot of things, so I'll come back again after typing this code and yeah, let's see. Okay, as per my calculations, my code is working fine. Um, so what I have done basically, let me just zoom it for you. Why am I unable to zoom it in? That's some crazy thing right now I'm facing. It's happening here. Why not with the JavaScript file? It's happening here too. So, okay, let me just show you what is going on right now. So what is happening is here, like we have created a function name are the duplicates. We have used two pointers here. One is the left pointer variable and the right pointer variable. So let me just show this in Paint. Like imagine there is a array. There's an array. Okay. And there are like elements. One element is here. One element is in this box. One element is in this box, and one element is in this box. So what we have done, we have put pointers at the very beginning of the array as well as at the very end of the array. Like for example, let's put in some number 1, let's put it like 3, let's put it 2. So as you can see, our array is now, god, as you can as you can see, our array is not sorted. Okay, let me just do it again. 1, it reduced to like 10. Okay, 1. So let's make it 3, let's make it 2, let's make it 4, let's make it 2 again. So since you can see it's not sorted, as well as there are duplicates, 2 is the duplicate in our case. So what we're gonna do right now is we'll do some crazy stuff right now. Nothing basically. First of all, this will compare to this. So as you can see that they are not same. So what to do basically, I have said if they are not same, let's just move the left pointer towards right and try comparing. They are not same. Again, don't give a fuck, just keep moving the left. When they are same straight up in for that very case, you just need to say to do true, there are duplicates present. Like with one duplicate being found only, you should return true. So that's what my logic is for this code. So that's so easy, right? Left and right. And yeah, we have set a while loop which just goes on till left would become right, which will never become because it's always going to be less than right. And even if it becomes, because there are chances that becomes like that, like equal to right, because it's constantly getting incremented, and every times the it fails to find that there is no comparison. So for that reason, I was saying that's all. That's all. That's all. So let's see what is the solution. And before seeing the solution, I wanted to try something. What if we put three dots in here? And I think this should return this current configuration should return false because there is no duplicate here. Yeah. But what if instead of this, if you put in another array which just looks like this, and then after this will come to a very sim, then it should say true. Still, it's false. So let's not fuck it. Let's just use some. Let's make it. What should be this? So yeah, there are duplicates. But what if I add in this? Should say false. So it's so easy. Just put three colons. Now this should also return to true because this is just by adding three columns you can put in multiple parameters in it to compare. That's crazy. Why didn't it work for the array? Maybe there was some mistake. So let's put in this array named 1 2 inside it, and we'll put this same thing here, and as you can see it is gonna should return true but still returns false. There must be something in it which isn't just causing this. I don't know what is causing this error, but I don't want to do the research also. Let's see like what is the solution for all of this. Solutions. Part 1 solutions. Question number 3rd are multiple pointers. How they have done it? So function are the duplicates, 2 pointers. Okay, start next one. Okay, this is kind of a different approach. What they have done are the duplicates dot 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 2 pointers args dot sort. They have used sort. They have used a sort function to sort on the basis of that A should be bigger than B. Let okay. While next is, okay, this is a very cool way of solving it. I couldn't think of it. I'm not even taught to use sort, so I would not use it. This is out of my league kind of. But still, I'll keep that in mind. There is something called sort also, and there is something called using the left and right pointer other than 0 and the last index. That is, you can set 0 and 1. What they are, oh, they are just doing what here is basically they're, since they are sorted, okay, they are just comparing the left and right. So basically, it is like if the left and the right are not same, then just move the right pointer towards one more towards the right and the left pointer also towards the right. Okay, you can see that. Start +1, left next +1. If they are not same, but if they are equal, the left and right pointer straight up return true. But all of this fails, the straight up return false. This is also a good one, but I don't know. I don't know this meaning of this one. Args.sort. Okay. Okay, will this work? I have a question. If I paste it in my VS Code and try, let's comment this error. Okay. So it should return according to us true. It is still false. So yeah, it's also not working. So it should return true, false. These are two same arrays. It should return true, false. You know what we'll do? We'll just do with what we'll just go and type in again this person's name, Mania. 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 Try. So it's returning true. So it just follows the same logic, but I guess it's kind of better because the number of operations performed here is still gonna be less. Like I guess n log like log n or something. I guess I don't know. But okay, mine one was O of n complexity. This is log n complexity. Fuck off, bro. Fuck off. So yeah, that's all for the video. I'm able to solve the questions, man. I'm excited. Excited. I thought I lost my skills, but I'm able to solve it. That's all for the video. Keep DSAing, I guess. Yeah, keep DSAing.